Have you ever felt that for a long time, the people around you couldn't see your true worth? That, despite giving your best, your achievements were ignored or underestimated. As one of the chosen, this experience can be painful, but today, all of that is about to change. The epic return you've always known was coming is finally approaching, and it's going to shock everyone. This is the moment when doors begin to open and the universe reveals the purpose for which you were chosen. Those who once doubted, you will soon realize they underestimated someone destined for greatness. Get ready, because what's coming is bigger than you imagined. Opportunities are aligning, the recognition that once seemed distant is now approaching with force, and you're about to reap the rewards of your faith and perseverance. In this video, we'll explore what it means to be on the brink of this epic return. We'll understand how the challenges and delays in recognition were actually part of your preparation for this moment. And most importantly, you'll see that all the work, all the effort, every tear shed is about to be rewarded in a way that will surprise everyone around you. Delayed recognition is something you, as one of the chosen, have likely experienced. It's that feeling that, despite faithfully following your purpose and dedicating yourself wholeheartedly, others take time to recognize the value of your actions. You strive, you pour your heart into everything you do, yet recognition always seems to lag behind. However, this experience isn't just a challenge, it's also an essential part of your spiritual development. As a chosen one of God, an awakened soul, blessed with divine gifts, it's important for you to emotionally understand what you already know spiritually. This delayed recognition is more than just a waiting game. In fact, it represents one of the lessons you chose to experience in this life. This period of waiting and apparent invisibility is an opportunity for you to develop qualities essential for your spiritual evolution, such as patience, resilience, and self-love. You know that, as a part of the divine, your worth doesn't depend on others' approval. When you love yourself and recognize your own divinity, the need for external validation loses its importance. Delayed recognition, then, stops being a burden and becomes a process of strengthening. It's through these challenges that you refine your gifts and prepare to fully manifest the divine purpose you carry within. This path of spiritual refinement isn't about gaining validation from others. It's about evolving as a soul, fulfilling what you came here to do. As you go through this process, you are preparing to manifest your highest potential, accessing levels of understanding and wisdom that are only reachable by those who embrace challenges as part of the journey. When recognition finally comes, it's not just external validation. It's confirmation that you are on the right path, fulfilling the purpose your soul accepted before coming into this life. This recognition reflects your perseverance, your faith in the divine purpose you chose to follow, and your ability to maintain a high vibration even in moments of uncertainty. The most important thing is that you don't lose sight of what truly matters, your connection to the divine purpose. The recognition from others is important, yes, but it is secondary to the recognition that comes from within, the certainty that you are doing exactly what you came here to do. As you walk your path, it's common to encounter situations where your worth or achievements are not immediately recognized. This delayed recognition can seem frustrating, but it's important to understand that it doesn't happen by chance. The reasons behind this delay in being seen are often deeper than they appear and are tied to spiritual and emotional dynamics that involve not just you, but also the people around you. One of the main reasons for delayed recognition is tied to the insecurities of those around you. Often these people project their own doubts and fears onto you, which can delay their acknowledgement of your value. When someone is dealing with their own insecurities, it can be difficult for them to see the light in others. Your light, which is a manifestation of your spiritual purpose, can make their insecurities stand out even more. Instead of recognizing what you're doing, These people may try to minimize or ignore your achievements. Jealousy is another factor that can interfere with this process. Sometimes, the people around you see in you a potential they don't believe they possess themselves. This can create a feeling of envy, which manifests as resistance to acknowledging what you're accomplishing. They may try to downplay your achievements or simply fail to recognize the impact you're making, all because they can't handle the idea that you're going beyond what they think is possible for themselves. However, it's important to remember that these reactions are more about their limitations than any shortcoming on your part. Another important factor is the lack of spiritual vision. Not everyone has the ability to see beyond immediate circumstances. While you are focused on your purpose and long-term goals, many people are stuck in the here and now, unable to see the bigger picture. This spiritual short-sightedness prevents them from recognizing the true impact of what you're doing until the results become undeniable. It's only when things start to materialize that they finally see what you've known all along. These reasons show that delayed recognition often has more to do with the limitations of others than with any shortcomings on your part. This is where a spiritual perspective becomes essential. You chose to live these experiences to learn not to depend on external validation. Instead, you are called to trust in the wisdom of the cycle of lives where each soul has its own time to awaken and recognize the truth. When you understand that these reactions of insecurity, jealousy, and lack of vision are individual reflections of each person, you can continue on your path with greater clarity and confidence. This process is not just about being seen or recognized by others. It's about strengthening your own spiritual vision and aligning even more deeply with the purpose you chose before coming into this life. Delayed recognition, although it can be challenging, also leaves deep marks on your personal and social life. When you go through periods where your value isn't fully recognized, it can affect your self-esteem and cause frustration. However, these feelings are not a sign of weakness. They are part of the growth process you chose to experience in this life. On a personal level, delayed recognition can lead you to question your choices and even your purpose. It's normal to feel discouraged when your actions aren't valued as you expect. However, it's important to remember that these moments of doubt are opportunities for you to strengthen yourself internally. They challenge you to find a source of validation within yourself rather than relying on external approval. By doing so, you become more resilient and able to maintain your high vibration regardless of the circumstances around you. Socially, delayed recognition can change how you relate to others. Those who didn't recognize your value at first may eventually change their attitude, leading to adjustments in your relationships. Some people who didn't see your light before may begin to draw closer, while others who can't handle your growth may distance themselves. This process of reassessing your connections is part of your spiritual development, allowing you to build more authentic relationships aligned with your purpose. On the other hand, delayed recognition can also serve as a catalyst to reinforce the relationships that truly matter. Those who always believed in you, even when the world didn't yet see your value, become even more precious in your life. These people are your support circle, the ones who stood by you during the toughest times. Valuing these connections is essential because they represent the souls aligned with your mission. Ultimately, the impact of delayed recognition is not just about how others see you, but about how you see yourself and your path. It challenges you to trust in the divine process, to understand that everything has its right time, and that recognition, when it comes, is a confirmation of your spiritual growth. More importantly, it teaches you to value what truly matters, the connection to your purpose and the path you've chosen to walk. Overcoming delayed recognition is an essential part of your journey as one of the chosen. Although it can be challenging, there are strategies you can adopt to strengthen your resilience and continue advancing with confidence and faith in your divine purpose. First, it's crucial to develop self-acceptance and self-confidence. This means recognizing your intrinsic worth, regardless of what others think or say. Self-acceptance is the foundation of true confidence, and to cultivate it, it's important to connect deeply with your divine essence. Remember that you are a manifestation of God, and your mission here is greater than any external validation. When you internalize this truth, the need for external recognition becomes secondary, and you begin to act with more certainty and firmness. Additionally, spiritual practices are fundamental to strengthening your inner vision. Meditation, prayer, and mindfulness are powerful tools that help you maintain focus on what truly matters: your spiritual growth and the fulfillment of your divine purpose. These practices allow you to connect with inner wisdom, guiding your actions and decisions in alignment with what your soul chose for this life. Seeking support from communities and spiritual mentors is also an effective strategy. Sharing your experiences with other chosen ones facing similar situations can bring comfort and inspiration. These communities, which share faith in God and the pursuit of divine purpose, offer a safe space where you can express your doubts and challenges while receiving support and encouragement. Moreover, spiritual mentors with their wisdom and experience can offer valuable guidance, helping you navigate the toughest moments with clarity and determination. The importance of patience and perseverance cannot be underestimated. As one of the chosen, you've likely realized that the spiritual path is filled with challenges and tests that require unwavering patience and perseverance. These qualities are essential for navigating the uncertainties and delays that often accompany the journey toward fulfilling your divine purpose. In this context, patience is not just the ability to wait, but the ability to maintain faith and serenity while you wait. It's the trust that God has a plan for you and that everything is unfolding according to divine timing. Perseverance, on the other hand, is what keeps you moving forward, even when results are slow to appear. As a chosen one, it's vital that you continue pressing on, regardless of difficulties or the lack of immediate recognition. Perseverance is the force that drives you to keep believing in your purpose, even when circumstances seem unfavorable. It is fueled by the certainty that in the end, everything will contribute to your spiritual growth and the manifestation of the blessings that God has reserved for you. Patience and perseverance also help you maintain a high vibration. When you stand firm in your faith, even in the face of difficulties, you send a clear message to the universe that you are ready to receive the blessings that are on their way. This confidence not only attracts the right opportunities, but also strengthens your soul, preparing you for the challenges and triumphs yet to come. Now the time to reap the rewards is approaching, and your epic return will shock everyone who underestimated the power of your determination and faith. This is the moment to rise with confidence, knowing that the recognition you've waited so long for is finally manifesting. But remember, what truly matters is not just the impact this will have on others, but how much you've grown and strengthened along the way. Your success is not just a personal victory, but also a testament to the divine purpose that God has placed in your life. If you enjoyed this message, subscribe to the channel so that our community of chosen ones can grow quickly. Share this text with other chosen ones and comment on your thoughts about how delayed recognition and overcoming doubts and fears have impacted your life. Your participation is crucial so that I can continue sharing messages of teachings and faith with the chosen ones. You are important, you are seen, and you have a very important role in the divine plan. Thank you for staying until the end. God bless your life, your plans, and your path. See you in the next video.